Hi friends, this is Manjunath Trading Channel. Today we are going to discuss about a topic called investing for beginners. I know you are afraid of finance because we never have enough money to trade. Frankly, calculations and numbers are boring and complicating too. You work so hard to make your family financially secure, and I think you deserve to have enough money to fulfill your dreams. All of this happen only by making a right investment. Because in today's video we are going to see this. We are going to discuss about investment factors. Before we start this class, if you like my work, make sure you hit that like button and you hit that subscribe button because it motivates me to do more videos. Let's begin. Before you pick an investment option, three things that you must keep in mind. First one is inflation. For example, let's assume you keep 100 rupees in your locker today only. For example, you keep 100 rupees in your locker today itself. Then tomorrow that 100 rupees in your locker will become 95 rupees. 5 rupees will be reduced because inflation reduces the purchasing power of money due to prices of atta, pulses, dal, clothes, real estate keeps on increases day by day. But your cash in the locker room does not increases. In January 2021, the inflation rate was 5.3%. Live the dreams of your life. If you first want to keep receiving food and clothing, then you have to beat this inflation. So, you have to keep in mind inflation before your investment. Second one, retirement planning. See, one day everybody will get old. That day you will need more money for medicines and operations. Cost of living will increase very high, and most worst thing will you won't have any monthly income at the age of 60. Unfortunately, people start retirement planning after getting retired only. And 90% population in India after their retirement depends on their children only. That is the worst case scenario. After working 40 plus years in your whole career, don't you deserve to be free and financially independent? So always keep in mind, focus on your retirement. So please think once before your investment on your retirement plan also. Third one is third most important investment factor is dreams or goals. This is where everybody are different. Some people wants to study higher education. Some people wants to travel all over the world. Some other people wants to start a business and everybody wants to own a house. Now, keeping these transactions or keeping all these investment factors or categories in the market, top 4 asset classes are classified before you investment: equities, fixed investment income, cash equivalents, alternative investments. The first, cash equivalents. Cash, no risk, very less returns. For example, in bank, if you have any SBI or any bank savings account, it will give 3.25% interest annually. Forget retirements or dreams, which is not enough to beat inflation. That 3.25% is not enough to beat inflation itself. But keeping cash in the bank is very certainty because it is very liquid. Whenever you want money, you can draw or you can use it. Second, debt investments options. It is nothing but fixed deposit or any bank deposits. SBI or any bank fixed deposit returns is 5 to 7% annually, but they come with constants like lock-in period. While it is good to have a certain sum of amount to keep in fixed deposit for stability, it is not wise to invest all of your amount to invest in the debt investment option. And third one is real estate. For example, I took a loan and bought a house because I like to have a own house. But beyond one house, I don't prefer real estate because so many houses. Why? What should I do with the so many houses? And some scenarios made me I should not make in real estate. For example, returns from real estate are very late, and again to maintain you have to pay taxes and you have to renovate house so many, and liquidity is very low when compared to the other. Taking out of our investment amount takes several years. And fourth one is and final one, equity shares. Equity shares generate long term wealth, hence prepare you for retirement and beat inflation also. But it is important, don't lose all amount in equity due to greed, fear, or lack of knowledge. Please, please focus on knowledge before you invest in equity. And finally, as a Chinese proverb says, the best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is now. It is the greatest Chinese proverb related to the trading. It's exactly apps for investment. Start learning now. Talk to people. Read more. Learn more. Focus on learning. It is going to be effort to learn about investments, but I promise the benefits are going to be worth it. Thank you guys. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. I'll come up with an interesting topic again. Bye bye.